Next, we get to activity 26, which has to do with the students learning the order of operations. It used to be, we called that PEMDAS, where parentheses and exponents were done before you multiplied or divided, which you did before you added and subtracted. Now that's sometimes referred to as GEMDAS, where grouping replaces parentheses. Anyway, in activity 26, you're going to practice doing the operations in the correct order. So let's go to the dice and see how that would work. We're going to use the 5 basic dice, 2 multiplication, 2 black, and 1 red. But the rule that the kids need to know for doing things in the correct order is that in our game, anytime you have 2 dice or 3 or 4 of the same color, they have parentheses around them. So you're going to do that first. So if we had these 3 dice, since there are 2 black dice, we would first add the 2 plus the 5 gives me 7. Multiply that times 8 gives me 56. On the other hand, if we had 2 green dice and 1 black die, the parentheses are around the green, and we're going to multiply 7 times 8 and then add 5. If we had both of these, there's parentheses around both of them, but the rules of PEMDAS, the order of operations, tell us that first we're going to multiply and then we'll add. And if we had 5 dice, the same thing. We're going to multiply first, then we're going to add the black, then we'll subtract the red. As a teacher or a parent facilitating this game with your kids, what you would do is you take the 5 dice, but you're just going to roll any 4 of them at a time. And the kids, first of all, just need to be able to determine what order. So if I grab these dice and roll these, the kids can verbalize, oh, the green dice have the parentheses around them. I'm going to multiply 7 times 5. Then I'm going to add 3. Then I'm going to subtract 3. If I were to roll these dice, there are 2 black dice. So I'm going to add the black, gives me 9. Then remember that I multiply before I subtract. So I'm going to go 5 plus 4 is 9, times 5 is 45, and then subtract 3. Now the teacher or the parent can use more dice if they choose of whatever colors, but the principle's the same. And the idea is to get the kids familiar with the correct order, and then once you're confident that they have the correct order, have them actually complete the problem. So hopefully that makes sense. Activity 26, working on order of operations.